Today, we're making lamb chops. Friends, you are gonna wanna stay till the end because there is a recipe card I put together for you so you can take a screenshot of it for easy reference. These lamb chops are fire. Really easy to make. Let me run you through the simple ingredients that we're gonna need so we can make these delicious lamb chops. First thing that we're gonna do is get our aromatics going. So to do this, I've got some fresh thyme. You can use as much of this or as little of that you like, and some fresh rosemary. And so literally what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just bowl and throw it in the frying pan like this, but I kind of wanna make like an herb crust, if that makes sense. You can chop it up however you wanna do it. You can use dried also if you like. But fresh is, you can't beat fresh. You just can't. Friends, just even touching the leaves, because the aroma, the leaves contain the delicious scent. It's like amazing. But this right here, I'm gonna throw this in the frying pan when it's cooking. I'm not gonna throw that away. We needed about 3/4 teaspoon, which is about that. So this, I'm gonna leave that whole, and I'm just gonna take this and put it inside of here right now. Now with the rosemary, I love rosemary. We're literally gonna pull the leaves off, okay? Alternatively, you can just take the whole, oh, I love the smell of rosemary. And just, we wanna get it like, little tiny pieces. Literally, we want to have this delicious like herb infused crust on our lamb chops. And just like with the last one, we're going to stick the stick inside of the frying pan with the oil to just help to infuse that flavor. We're going for about twice as much rosemary as thyme. If you don't have these herbs and you have, oops, don't do what I just did, friends. If you don't have these herbs and you have like parsley and basil, use those. You can use any herbs that you like. Now we have our 2 cups. Now we have our garlic cloves. Friends, did you know that I have a cookbook coming out? That's right. It's set to come out this year. So if you are not on the wait list for it, let's get you on the wait list. I'm gonna be having some awesome giveaways and prizes for those that are on the wait list. So trust me, you wanna be on it. All of the information is in the description box below. This knife definitely needs to be sharpened. Next, we're gonna take our lamb chops, and we are literally going to do something pretty awesome here, okay? We're gonna like rub the herbs on it, okay? So I'm gonna start with some of the rosemary, and we want it on both sides at the time. And I'm also gonna do, haha, you guessed it, some of the garlic. Oh yeah, baby. And do some fresh cracked black pepper. I'm doing about a couple of cracks on each chop per side. And just a little pinch of salt. Okay, flip them over. And now, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. These are going to be very, very flavorful lamb chops. So these beauties are looking perfect. Okay, we're ready to get over to the stove. I'm gonna add in that olive oil. We're also gonna add in those sprigs. I'm gonna cut this one in half. Any extra seasonings that we have, we're gonna add this garlic. Smells so good. Just let it sit. We wanna get a sizzle, a shazizzle. Okay. Turn the beauty over. See the nice color that it is developing. Next, we're going to add that balsamic all around, but also drizzle a little bit on top of each one. I'm not adding the honey yet. Look at that color. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that honey. As that honey melts down, it's gonna start to combine with the balsamic vinegar, and it's gonna start to create like this delicious like glaze. I'm gonna flip each one over because I want to coat the other side. Now what we're going to do, we're going to reduce the heat to low, and we're going to cover it and just let it finish cooking like that. Make sure it's on low. It's been about 5 minutes. Now I'm simply going to turn. Oh, look at that color. 123. We want to get to about 133. Friends, I have got to try these. Look at these beauties. Just look at them. Ooh, which one? I'm going in with this beauty right here. Oh my goodness, if you could smell these. Oh, Mama cooked it perfecto. Look at that. Oh, one more look right there. That's for people who love food like I do. Oh my goodness, they're so juicy. Juicy and tender. That glaze. You're gonna wanna take this and like rub it around in that glaze, trust me. Let's see how I did. I'm speechless. Stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the rest of your day's plans, because you're gonna go out and you're gonna buy some lamb chops, you're gonna make this recipe, then you're gonna tag me, you're gonna share it, you're gonna let me know how much you love it. Don't forget to get on the wait list for my cookbook. Everything's in the show notes. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll see you very soon. I'm gonna finish my lamb chops because these, my friends, oh my goodness. You know what I really need right now? Maybe some mashed potatoes or some oven roasted vegetables or some rice. I feel like I almost want some rice to soak up all this juice. See you soon.